ever wondered what's the world's most gigantic spider? You might think it's the tarantula, or maybe the Black Widow. No, not that Black Widow. Yeah, that one. But still, no! Those are ants compared to this monster! This beast can grow up to 30 centimeters across, the size of a dinner plate! And its fangs? Almost an inch long, sharp enough to pierce flesh. Think you know what it is? Smash that subscribe before I reveal it. The world's most gigantic spider is the Goliath Birdeater. A bird-eating spider? Are you kidding me?